Hi everybody, are you ready to join the screen printing world? A complete screen printing key will solve all of your problems. Today I will introduce our screen printing key. Look, this is the packaging. We use the foam to protect everything of the package. Look, this is the universal mesh prep and the auto-pack gel, also the photo emulsions. This is the ink. We have two colors inside with black and white. The ink is water-based. Exporter right. The important thing is the screen film. We used 13.7 by 14.2 centimeters. The nylon soft brush to wash and clean your screens. The inject film with A4 size. The ink spatula with the stand blasting. It will help you mixing the ink, mixing the color. This is the scoop border for the photo emulsion. And the wooden screen draw border. We use the medium 17.5 green. This is adhesive. And the type. The last one is the single color printing press. The wooden board, the size is 14.5 by 15.5 cm. Okay. Just got the key to starting your printing talent. The printing press with single color, and it's easy to install, and the wooden bowl adjustable. So that's all of the products in this kit. The most importantly, we will show the construction to show how to do your print. Don't worry about it. Even the French hands, you can easy to operations.